This is your sign to go to Build-A-Bear Workshop and build a Damon Vampire Diaries inspired bear. This is such a fun date idea and totally great if you have kids. They have so many cute, adorable stuffed animal options to choose from. They even came out with their own mini versions, kind of like Beanie Babies because they're stuffed with beads. My favorite is the axolotl and the pumpkin cat. I will definitely be coming back for those. So for my bear, I chose this teddy bear because I thought he would be perfect for a Damon-inspired bear. Next, I picked out his clothes. First, I picked a black t-shirt. I chose this one because it says emotional support bear, and that's what this bear is specifically for. Next, I got him some Damon-inspired combat boots and some black pants. That's my friend Shelby helping me pick everything out, and she also helped me do a special voiceover that I'm going to put inside the bear. We are actually using an audio from a cameo video that Ian Somerhalder sent to me. This is the stuffing machine. Next, we had to stuff the bear, and I pushed on the pedal while the girl stuffed my Damon bear for me. This was so satisfying to watch, and it looks so much fun to do. If I had a Build-A-Bear location anywhere near where I lived, I would totally love to work here. The next part was my favorite part, which was the heart ceremony. You had the option to choose a beating heart or just a regular felt heart, and I decided to go with the felt one. And what's cute about this is you do a little ritual to warm up the heart to give your bear lots of love. So as you can see, I'm performing the ritual here, and then you hold it close to your heart and you make a wish right before you place the heart inside your bear. This next option is something new that they just came up with, and you can now add a scent to your bear, and they come in strawberry, cotton candy, birthday cake, bubblegum, and for the sake of it being a Vampire Diaries bear for Halloween, they have a pumpkin spice scent, so I put the pumpkin spice scent in my bear, and it actually smells just as good as a pumpkin Bath and Body Works candle. Next, I went over and I gave my bear a bath to brush him and soften him up and get rid of any loose fur pieces that would fall off. And then I went over to the computer to print out his birth certificate, and I named him Damon Bear. And then finally, before we left, I got to dress him and put him in his clothes. I so wish that they had a leather jacket for Damon. They used to have leather jackets a long time ago, but they don't anymore. So I'm really hoping that they will eventually get those back so I can give him a proper Damon jacket and he can look more and more just like him. And that was my fun day at Build-A-Bear Workshop, and I can't wait to take this to Epicon with me to show to Ian Somerhalder himself.